Hi, hello, and welcome. I'm Rachel Towne, founder of Work Smarter, Not Harder. And if you saw my Vizzlie video on how to create a team to share templates and to all kind of create them together and edit them together, awesome. If you haven't, go ahead and check it in the description of this video and you'll be able to see that one so you can move on to more of this one. So push pause, go to the description, check out that video first, and then come back here. So what we're going to do today is talk about how you can use Vizzlie team features so it makes your life easier, your teammates' lives easier, everybody's life gets easier with this, because what you can do is you can create a template in a team, which if you watch the other video, you'll know now what I'm talking about when I say a team. And today we're going to talk about how to use it. What can you do? How do you delegate responsibilities? What are you going to do as a leader to make everybody thrive in your organization? So in our organization, we have our organizational Facebook group, and that's, you know, a big group. That's my uplines org. Okay. When I became a director with our company, I created my own group and I've got my org under there. Each director I've gotten under me also creates their own group. And the purpose of having your own smaller group is so people feel a little bit more comfortable. It's a little bit more intimate. You can post incentives in there for your direct team to earn for like volume or recruiting or whatever your goal is as a leader. If you're looking to build in your team volume, then do an incentive on submitting a certain amount of volume per month. If you're looking to grow your team, have an incentive for people to bring on new teammates. Maybe do it like this day through this day. Give it about a week. And do, okay, however many people you get to recruit, you get one entry per person, and you get to win this. Have it be something cool, maybe an Amazon gift card or whatever. But I digress. We're going back to the topic today. So how we organize this in our org is there are a lot of leaders in my organization, and what we do is we have a shared team Vizzlie. Okay, so all of us are in there. We are all admin. We are all content editors. We are all everything. We're all basically the leaders of this Vizzlie team. And so what we do is one of us will start a template. It can be blank. It can be whatever. And then we'll import it into the team Vizzlie, and we'll all edit a new post for the week. So this is what we've been doing. And I'll just kind of show you how we've been setting it up. So here's the Vizzlie dashboard. You're going to scroll down to teams, and then you select the team that you are wanting to work on. So let's say I want to work on this team. This is my team, Hearts of Gold Leaders. That's my uplines leader team. So only the leaders are in that group. And what I'm going to do is click on this, and we will go to Facebook templates. So in here, let's say we're going to work on this April Mega. Anyone that is a content editor can now add new posts. They can, they can edit these. Somebody can be assigned to proofread them. And then when we are all set with this mega party, what we're going to do is copy it to our personal. And once it's in there, and I already have it, so I'm not going to, but I would hit copy template. Actually, let's go ahead and do that. It'll just make a duplicate, but that's okay. Once you do that, you can then go to the template. So once it's done thinking, we can go to the template and see it's a duplicate, so it just puts a 1 in parentheses. And now we can share this with our team. So if you take that, you've got this new template that you and other leaders in your team have created, you can all share that with your downline. So you just copy that code and you share it. So once they've gotten that code from you, what they're going to do is go to Planning Templates Facebook. They're going to import a template, paste that code that you shared with them, and search it, and they'll be able to use that. Once that's in their personal Vizzlie folder, now they can use that wherever they want it. So if you're doing a mega party or if you're doing weekly VIP posts, that's what you would do. So I want to show you how we sign up for this. So this is what we do. We create a daily schedule, and you do it Monday through Sunday. This way people on your team always have content in their VIP group. And so if they're not very active and they want to be, but they just don't have the time, at least they can simply import this template that you've created, put it out to go in their VIP group, and voila, they now look like they're active, even though they might not be. Maybe they are dabblers, and this will kind of light a fire to help them. So what we've done we have an AM topic, a midday topic, and a PM topic. And you just share this with your downline. And so we've been doing a weekly theme with our posts. So something that you can do is come up with topic ideas, kind of revolving around your weekly theme, making sure that there's your interactive posts that is kind of discussed when you're communicating with your teammates, but you or multiple members of your team can come up with daily topics, the AM, midday, and PM posts, post that into your team group. If you've got leaders, if you've got people that aren't technically leaders, but they kind of stand out to you as really good with media or with social marketing, then just ask them to sign up for a post. That way, you've got all of these different people contributing to your Vizzlie template. So when you go back to Vizzlie and you're in your team, we'll go to Facebook templates. And this is the current one. If you refer to the other Vizzlie video I did on setting up a team, you probably have already imported a one post template. That's all you need. And then everybody can build on it. So once this is in your team, everybody can just add to it. So for this one, let's say that April is posting repair water gel benefits / testimonial. She's doing that Tuesday morning. Well, we know that this template will launch on Monday. So Monday would be the day of. Okay, that would be the day of. And so April's must have been right here, the repair eye gel. And that was her post that she scheduled. So when she was doing that, she would have hit new post one day after start time, making sure you're adjusting those. I never do relative to start time. I don't like that. So I'm going to do exact time of day. If it's midday, I'm doing 12 p.m. Title, I repair. She can post her description here. She can add an image, video, album, web link, whatever she wants to do in here, and then create it. And so once she does that, she can highlight this, she can put it bold, she can do whatever, marking that she has got it complete. And then once this entire template is complete, you can copy it to your personal. Once it's in your personal, again, you can go in there to your template on Facebook, grab that code. We'll just use this one, just pretend. Grab that code and share it with your downline. And so that way it's using many different people throughout your entire organization to help develop this thing, which essentially is going to help everybody. So yes, I'm thankful that you other leaders helped me, but this wasn't for me. This was for you and your downline as well. So it's just working smarter, not harder. It really is. I'm always like, what can we do that will make people have to do less work, but still get the same outcome? That's what we're doing, right? We are entrepreneurs. We work for ourselves. So we're always looking to manage our time better, especially for those of us, like I'm a homeschooling mother. I have my little hobby farm. I run a very successful online business and I'm always growing. But one way to grow is to make sure I have easy buttons lined up, because there's no way I could make the time to reach out and do follow-ups for, over, what have I got? Like 1,200, 1,300 customers. I can't do follow-ups with them all. So I set up follow-up texting triggers. I set up follow-up texting campaigns. I have, like when somebody joins my team, I can't make sure I'm not forgetting anybody. And that's the worst feeling as an entrepreneur, especially if you're in direct sales. It's when you forget about somebody and you're like, it kept me up at night. It truly would keep me up at night. I would be stressed out. Oh my gosh, I never followed up with people from that party. Or, oh my gosh, I never welcomed that new teammate. Like if they're a few levels down and they aren't your direct recruit, you you don't want to forget about them either. So, I have all of my stuff lined up to just, I click a button and it all goes. And that way it looks like I'm present, even though I'm not necessarily there at that moment. But if they reply to me, it's me, it's not a bot. So that's just things, working smarter, not harder. You're an entrepreneur. You go. I'm proud of you. Hopefully this helps you and your team build a little bit stronger and a little bit faster. All right. Until next time, my friend.